Dear student, class 9, today I'm going to discuss chapter 4, the configuration of land and the climate of Bangladesh. A fourth-fifth of the total rainfall take place during the rainy season in Bangladesh. An average rainfall is minimum 119 centimeter and maximum 340 centimeter. Comparatively, more rainfall happens in the eastern part of the country than in the western part. For example, the amount of rainfall reaches 114 centimeter in Pabna, 120 centimeter in Dhaka, 140 centimeter in Kumilla, 180 centimeter in Srimongol, and 190 centimeter in Rangamati. The monsoon causes heavy rainfall in Bangladesh. During this season, rainfall takes place not less than 200 centimeter anywhere in the country, either at the hill tracks or on the coastal belt. It pours up to 340 centimeter in mountainous areas of Sylhet, 200 centimeter in Patuakhali, 250 centimeter in Chittagong, 280 centimeter in Rangamati, and 320 centimeter in Cox's. The climate of India. India possesses a vast volume of land and diversified climates. It is because a difference happens in her axis, oceanic distance, stream of air, etc. India is situated in the monsoon region. Consequently, her temperature, rainfall, moisture, etc. entirely depend on the flow of monsoon. The climate of India may be divided into 4 seasons in consideration of disparity in her temperature and rainfall. The winter. As the sun stays in the south hemisphere during the winter season, temperature of all over India gets reduced to a great extent. The winter covers from December to February in India. During this period, the eastern monsoon flows over India because it flows out from the frigid zone and blows through her land surface and consequently causes blowing of dry and cold air over there. Himalayas stands like a wall spinning, very important this line, spreading over the northern region. Dry and cold air cannot enter into India's atmosphere. So India gets protection from winter effect. During winter, the climate all over India remains dry, cold and comfortable. Summer, the month from March to May, make the summer in India. On which date summer starts in India? March to May. The sun stays at the equator from the south hemisphere and it gradually moves forward towards the Tropic of Cancer. Since the sun brings its summer solstice, the temperature of India gradually increases accordingly. During this time, an average temperature of 270 degrees Celsius is observed all the valleys of the Ganges. Temperature gradually continues to increase as well as ahead toward the northern region. In that time, temperature in the desert areas at the northwest of India reaches to 48 centimeter. Rainy season. The rainy season in India lasts from the months of June to September. The sun stays above the Tropic of Cancer at the end of June. The northern part of India suffers excessively increased hot temperature, and temperature in the southern part thereof gradually gets reduced even below 27 degrees Celsius. Excessive hot temperature causes growing of a strong low pressure belt in Punjab within the northern India. The southeastern trade wind from the high pressure belt of the Capricorn within the south hemisphere does not enter the equatorial low pressure belt but moves directly towards Punjab after being attracted by the more powerful low pressure of Punjab. An approximate 75% of the total rainfall of India pours during this season. Look, autumn and late autumn. Look, October and November are 2 months that make the autumn and the late autumn in India. During this season, the southwestern monsoon changes its direction and turns into the northeastern monsoon. It causes rainfall along with strong storm over some parts of India. Rainfall take place uh, during this season at West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Madinipur coastal area. Very very important. This storm in the West Bengal is Ashina Jhor. What do you mean by Ashina Jhor? The climate of Myanmar is similar to that the Indian subcontinent, seems like tropical monsoon. The climate of this region possesses a clear presence of three deserved seasons in consideration of difference in high temperature and rainfall, namely the winter, summer and rainy season. The summer, Myanmar, most part of the country gets very hot and average temperature reaches almost to 29 degrees Celsius. During this season temperature, monsoon begins to follow over there, and 90 degrees Celsius in Bahamo and 32 degrees Celsius in Mandalaya and 27 degrees Celsius in Yangon. Rainy season. The rainy season in Myanmar comprise of the months from May to October. Very very important. A heavy rainfall take place in this region due to the southwest monsoon, and at the middle of May, and normal rainfall take place in Yangon and at the end of that month. It prevails all over the country and continues to do so until October. A great difference in the amount of such rainfall is observed in different regions of Myanmar. A heavy rainfall persists up to 200 centimeter on the coastal belt of Arakan and Tenasserim for the monsoon in the southwestern part. The winter, as the sun stays in the south hemisphere during this time, and a great high pressure is formed in the middle of Asia and north hemisphere. Very very important, the climate of Nepal. Considering its existing temperature and rainfall in the climate, two seasons are clearly perceived over there. Heavy rainfall persists in this region during the month from June to September, and this period is called rainy season. In July, temperature Kathmandu remains 24.4 degree Celsius. On the other hand, a very dry condition and lack of rain persist over there from the month of July to January in Nepal. Very very important, the yearly average rainfall Nepal is 145 centimeter, most of which takes place within the month of June. Look, climate of Bangladesh. The climate of Bangladesh is moderately warm, humid and equable. Very very important for your MCQ. The influence of the monsoon in this region is so high that the climate is known as tropical monsoon climate as a whole. Very very important. 3 seasons of diverse character is seen in Bangladesh, which harmonize the overall climate of South Asia. Those are the winter, summer and rainy season. Disparity in climate is somehow observed in consideration of season, but no extreme weather is perceived here like that either of a cold country or of that of the tropical country. Winter. The winter extends in Bangladesh from November to February every year. Since the sun stays in the south hemisphere, its rays fall obliquely, obliquely towards Bangladesh, and in that time, temperature of heat get reduced in abundance. The highest and lowest temperature during the winter range from 26 degree Celsius to 11 degrees Celsius. January is the coldest month in Bangladesh. This month possesses an average temperature of 17.7 degrees Celsius. During this period, the temperature gradually reduces and seashore at the south towards north and equal hot lines becomes largely erect and stay at the east-west side. In January, an average temperature remains 20 degrees Celsius in Chattogram, 19.4 degree Noakhali, and 18.3 degree in Dhaka, 17.7 degree Bogra, and 16.6 degree Dinajpur. The month from November to February makes the summer season in Bangladesh. It is the highest season of this year. Maximum temperature in this remains 38 degrees Celsius and minimum 21.6 Celsius. Look, the coastal look the sun draws near the Tropic of Cancer during the summertime. In the north hemisphere, air pressure gets varied, and the southeast monsoon usually blows over the territory of Bangladesh. At the time, dry and cold air also blows from the west and northwestern side. It is called northwester. Besides the northwester or Kalboishaki. Besides, the coastal areas of Bangladesh are frequently hit by the devastating cyclone in April and May due to downwards pressure created in the Bay of Bengal. On 29 April 1991, a cyclone along with tidal wave hit the coastal area of Bangladesh, particularly Chittagong and coastal zone, and it's resulted in a heavy destruction of assets and loss of life. The socio-economic condition of the people of Bangladesh depends largely on nature and natural resources due to its geographical position, the climate as well. A lot of changes take place in people's life and livelihood here due to the change of climate. Depending on its climate, frequent natural calamities and disaster, long-lasting floods, disintegration of rivers cause changes in the living and livelihood of the people. A heavy rainfall takes place in Bangladesh due to the influence of the southwest monsoon during the rainy season. Consequently, diverse crops and fruits grow here. A little rainfall takes place in this country during the winter season due to the influence of northwestern monsoon. Diverse rabi crops like paddy, wheat, these are the crops of rabi, and onion, garlic, coriander, and various vegetable silt carried by flood water over flowed to the agricultural land, enhance fertility agricultural land. A heavy rainfall within a short time, landslide, flood and hill slide due to heavy rainfall are the common phenomena here. Sea level has heightened. The sea level of the Heron Point and Chor Changa and Cox's Bazar has also been increasing by 4 millimeter to 6 millimeter every year. The rivers flowing through this para is very important for secure, protect human lives and their livelihood as beside 4 lakh people have become homeless before of river erosion and take place sheltered in cities for their livelihood. A number of ordinary farmers are getting employed in cities due to the obstruction in agriculture production. Concept of earthquake is one of the natural disaster. This tendency of earthquake is observed almost in a number of countries and regions of the world. Earthquake is liable for lot of devastation in human civilization. It is supposed that approximate 15 million people died and caused by earthquake over the last 400 years. The Earth's surface is being transformed through different natural process. The scientists resolve the heat from the radioactive substance is dispersed beneath the Earth's crust. The heat being amassed cause conventional stream within the Earth. There generates a strong force which causes agitation and metamorphosis at different parts of the crust. Such metamorphoses within the crust by the internal force take place either in sudden course or in slow course. Earthquake and volcanoes are major force among all other forces causing metamorphosis in sudden process. Earthquakes. Sometimes some parts very important of the Earth's surface get an unexpectedly shake or some reason. This quake and shake turns to severe state from its very tender state, which normally lasts for few seconds. Such sudden and momentary vibration of the surface of Earth is called earthquake. The region within the interior side of the Earth where an earthquake is formed is called the focus of earthquake. The name of the outer surface of Earth at just above the focus is called epicenter. The velocity of the quake from the epicenter is gradually reduced around. The reason for earthquake. While searching the possible reason for earthquake, the scientists noticed that some regions of the world are earthquake prone. In this zone, the new mountain ranges are situated. The cross section of the Earth shows that the crust is comprised of 8 very large pitches and 6 regional pitches. These are known as the tectonic plates. Of the many reasons earthquake happen, the displacement or dislocation of these plates are the most significant reason. Very important this line. Underline this line. In addition, the other reasons for earthquake are follows. Earthquake take place when any sudden shakes stimulate the earth all along the detachment or crack of the foundation rocks. Besides, earthquake also take place while magma of a volcano comes out of the interior side of the earth. Very important. Underline this line. When the earth's crust gets compressed by dispersing heat, crack or plate is created in order to maintain consistency of load at the rock level down the earth, and a quake of earth is also observed when rock is collapsed or displaced at any place of the earth crust due to the earth agitation. A vibration in earth is observed. Look, the consequence of earth. A lot of changes and damage take place in the world due to earth, a direct or indirect consequence. Sometimes a vast area of land and the bottom of the sea rises from the earthquake. Sometimes a large area of the land at the surface submerged at the bottom of the sea. Very important for MCQ. Sometimes a river motion is changed or blocked. Big ice pieces suddenly fall down from the hillsides because of the earthquake and causes heavy damage of the hills. The sea level get down from the shore from the shock of the quake. Then the sea water falls out towards the shore in the form of the waves arising at a height of 15 to 20 meters with horrible roar. Such tidal waves are called tsunami. It was occurred on 26 December 2004 with the blow of tsunami created due to the earthquake. Innumerable lives and assets were lost in different countries such as Indonesia, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Thailand. Actually, it created in the seabed, and this earthquake created in the seabed and affect spread out the earth. So I already discussed tropical monsoon, Bangladesh climate, Indian climate, Nepal's climate, Myanmar's climate, and already start earthquake. If you have any problem or any question, please message me. Thank you very much.